And we are back with another video. All right, guys, it's your boy Young back in the building with another vid. So as y'all see from the caption or the thumbnail, because I know how to do them now, shout out to the boy McFly showing me that little tidbit of doing the thumbnails. So as y'all see from that, I have another what's in my box video. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. So we're gonna start with this small package first. I got this off eBay too. Let's see. So, okay. All right, so this right here, guys, are the blue silica gel packs. These are what you put in your shoes if you got shoes with icy soles. They keep the sole from yellowing quicker, and also too, it takes the moisture. It absorbs moisture, so it keeps them dry. So also, what's good about these? Shout out to my boy Solution, Kicks for the Solution. I'm sorry, the Solution for Kicks. My bad. Shout out to him because he put me onto these reusable ones. So once these will turn a different color, like they're blue now, but I believe they'll turn orange or whatever once they're low. It turns a different color, and then what you do is you can put these in the, you could put them in the oven, bake them, because it says on here bake in a conventional oven for 2 to 3 hours at a temperature of 200 to 240 degrees, and you do it for that amount of time. These will turn back blue, and then you can put them back in and reseal them. So I got this off eBay. This was $11 for 200 of them. So this should be good enough for me. I don't have I have over 200 shoes, but I don't have 200 shoes that have this type of have that clear bottom or whatever. But I will be throwing these in my shoes that need them. So shout out to him again for putting me onto this kind of silica gel package. All right, so the next box, this one came out. I gotta open it this way because it got my boy's address on it, so I don't want to show his address. But shout out to the boy Me and Matt Kicks, man. He was looking out for me. He was at the outlet near in Chicago near his way. I told him if they had these shoes again, hit me up. He did that. I didn't have the money right away, and he picked them up for me. So, and I paid him, and he shipped them out. So shout out to him. Let me make sure, because he be leaving stuff in here. No, there ain't nothing else in there. So yeah. So alright, so let's see what these are. As you see, it's an Adidas box. Let me show y'all. Okay, hold on. It's an Adidas box, size 10. Y'all should probably already see from the tag. Wow, got these boys, the Continental boys right here. These are dope. These are dope right here. So I grabbed these for 50 bucks. So like I said, I shipped him out. He shipped them out to me, and I gave him the money for them. So yeah, these are dope. The Continental. So like I said, I know a lot of people say this is a poor man's Power Phase, but actually the Power Phase took this. This is the original of the Power Phase. The Power Phase took this idea from this shoe. So this is the original, but the Continental, I'm glad to see like old school models come back. I like old school stuff. So as y'all see, the leather on here is pretty good. So yeah, these are definitely gonna get some wear. So I like these nice little slick shoes. So I just gotta lace them up the way I want them, and we'll go from there. So all right, now the last box that I got today from Nike. If you follow me on IG, you already know what this is. I have my IG at the corner, in the corner of this video. If you want to follow your boy Young, All right, so as you see here, got the receipt from Nike, size 10. All right, so let's see how these looking. Woo! Boy, these Mars landings right here, man, fire. These are fire. Woo! These are fire. Yeah, I definitely like these. Yeah, people, they asleep. So yeah, these are dope right here. Like this material on here, it's hard to describe it. Like, it's definitely a different material. Yeah, as y'all know, this upper is 3M. It's like all 3M. When the lights hits it, got the black or the gray speckles in there. You know, like these are hard. Got the Air Max branding right there, Nike branding on the back. You know, so yeah, got your Nike tab right here. But yeah, these are dope. Yeah, they're not as orange, and it comes with the spare laces. So yeah, I'm definitely going to take these orange laces out and put in the 3M laces, 3M orange laces. So yeah, it's not as orange as I thought they would be. It's more of a brown, but it is fused into orange. But like on camera, as y'all looking at it right now, it is coming up like it's orange. Like, but it's definitely more brownish than orange. But that's all good, because you know, I got something to go with this. So when I pull these out, I'm gonna be able to freak it. Y'all already know. Y'all already know I do this matching stuff. So yeah, we'll have a banger fit. Now post it on the IG so y'all can see. But yeah, these were $160. Yeah, these are cool. These are cool. It's definitely a collectible item. It's a collectible item shoe. You know, I like them. I like Air Max 90s, so I wanted to cop something since it's Air Max month. You know, so I was just like, yeah, let me grab something. Oh yeah, I didn't show off the sole, but y'all know the sole. Like, that sole is pretty dope. So yeah, these are hard. These are definitely hard. You know, I'm glad that I got them. Glad that I got them. These are dope right here. So that was it. That's it. That was everything that was in my box. So if y'all like this segment on my channel, throw up a thumbs up on this video. Like I said, I told y'all I am grinding to get 300 subs by June 1st. So, you know, if you like the dope content, help us reach that goal. At 500 subs, I will be doing a giveaway on my channel. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna give away, but it's gonna be something special. I know we'll reach that goal. So, you know, like I said, I just need y'all help to do it. And that's going to conclude the video, guys. So if you like what I do, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. And we are out of here, guys. Peace.